What's going on, you guys? This is Aaron from Departures Capital, and welcome to the video. In this video, we're talking about an exciting new company to the channel, and that company is called MedNow. Now, MedNow is a healthcare technology company offering a virtual pharmacy and telemedicine service through mednow.ca. So we're going to talk all about the company, simply introduce it to you guys. So we're going to go over the stock chart, take a look how it's traded since their IPO, go to their website, take a look at what the company does a little bit more in depth. And then we're also going to go over their investor presentation, touch on a few key points, and we also will be interviewing their CEO at a later date. So look forward to that video. But for now, guys, let's introduce MedNow, and I hope you enjoy the video. Also, for full disclosure details, this is a sponsored video, so check the description down below for full disclosure details, along with thoroughly reading our disclaimer and always remembering that these videos are not financial advice. So with that being said, guys, I bring you MedNow. Of course, if you do support the channel and all the videos, kindly smash that like button. It takes just 1 second of your time, and it helps my videos so very much, along with hitting that subscribe button and the bell for notifications on future videos. Also, feel free to drop me a comment down below and let me know what you think about the company or about the sector. So MedNow is traded on the TSX Venture under ticker symbol MNOW. Currently has a 52-week range of $3.45 to $5.56. As we can see, over the past 6 months, it has dropped a little bit. It looks like we have potentially put in a bottom or started to consolidate around the mid $3 levels. So we'll see what happens. If it can find some support and continue to find some support around this level, might be an interesting time to take a look at the company. But let's jump to their website. That is, of course, mednow.ca. Browse real quick, take a look, and then we're going to get into their investor presentation. So all your pharmacy needs delivered, switch to MedNow Pharmacy today. Free prescription delivery, chat with your pharmacist by phone or text, consult with a Canadian physician online. So how MedNow works. Getting started with MedNow, quick, easy, and secure online or by phone. Always free delivery, same day in the GTA and the GVA, Greater Vancouver area, 1 to 3 days for the rest of Ontario and BC. Pharmacy support anytime, anywhere. A pharmacy and medical clinic in your pocket. So of course you can learn more about how MedNow works. Fully accredited pharmacy and trusted by the Ontario College of Pharmacists, the College of Pharmacists of British Columbia. So over delivering on all your pharmacy needs. Here they've got some reviews. Don't just take our word for it. Simplifying the pharmacy experience as the healthcare industry evolves. That's from BNN Bloomberg. They've also had coverage from Daily Hive and Yahoo. Pharmacy reinvented. Then we can head on over to their investor relations page. If you do want to find out more information about the company, of course, this is highly encouraged. When doing your research and due diligence, might be a good idea to download the investor presentation, take a look at it for yourself, take a look at the financials, of course, but we're just going to go over, some key points or, the points that stick out to me. So MedNow is a healthcare technology company offering a virtual pharmacy and telemedicine service through mednow.ca. MedNow's vision is to be a household name in the provision of convenient healthcare services to all Canadians. Designed with quality care, MedNow uses an interdisciplinary approach which is focused on patient care and customer service to provide an exceptional healthcare experience to Canadians. So, why MedNow? Proven management in a $47 billion retail pharmacy market, on-demand virtual pharmacy, best-in-class holistic care offering, and an all-in-one healthcare ecosystem. So let's take a look at their investor presentation now. Canada's on-demand virtual pharmacy. This is for Q1 of 2021. So MedNow, all your pharmacy needs delivered. MedNow aims to become a household name in improving healthcare access through best-in-class service, proprietary technology, and enhanced delivery. So to provide access via a user-friendly app, website, and call center, to have national pharmacy offering, to provide access to virtual healthcare professionals, and to deliver best-in-class pharmacy services from experienced founders. Patients see their community pharmacists up to 10 times more frequently than they see family physicians. 50% of Canadians with chronic illness do not take medications as prescribed. 2/3 of Canadians over the age of 65 take more than 3 medications per day. So a large addressable and untapped market, $264 billion healthcare market, $47 billion pharmacy market, and a $2 billion telemedicine market. Despite a Canadian landscape with over 10,500 pharmacies, management has identified less than 10 pharmacies that are an online delivery-based business model. Telemedicine is expected to grow by 64% year over year, with a compound annual growth rate of 38% from 2020 to 2025. And management believes as more people consult their doctor online, more people will require pharmaceutical consultations and medication delivery. So MedNow seeks to effect disruption in the healthcare market as the sectors of grocery, restaurant, and transportation have experienced from on-demand technology-powered companies. So take a look at their management team. It's always a great idea to do your own research and due diligence on the management team, but we are quickly going to talk about their Chief Executive Officer and co-founder, Kareem Nassar. Kareem is a computer engineer with 15 years of experience in pharmacy technology and healthcare logistics. He was in the international marketing division at Vital Air Home Healthcare, helping them build their Western Canada home oxygen logistics network. Kareem previously led retail and specialty pharmacy strategy initiatives at McKesson and Innomar Strategies. McKesson is a very, very big company, as we know, a subsidiary of Amerisource Bergen. He was the vice president of digital strategy at the Care Group of Pharmacies. Kareem holds a bachelor's of applied science at the University of Toronto and a master's of business administration at Queen's University. So further take a look at their management team, their advisors, their board of directors. So MedNow infrastructure established accelerated development in 2020 to service the rapid adoption of digital healthcare in Canada. January 2021, their most recent milestone, entered into strategic agreements to establish MedNow telemedicine. I think one interesting thing that stands out to me about MedNow is their same-day delivery in two very key cities in Canada. So rapid delivery same day and next day, current fulfillment centers, service all of British Columbia and Ontario, same day service in Greater Toronto area and Greater Vancouver area. So the MedNow ecosystem, an example. From diagnosis to the prescription being delivered to the patient, the goal is that the patient always receives MedNow's holistic care every step of the way. Number one, an appointment is requested online through a third-party provider. Number two, patient meets with virtual doctor. Number three, script filled by MedNow Pharmacy. And number four, MedNow delivers a prescription. All in one patient experience from diagnosis to delivery. So what is their strategy for this year? So the go-to-market strategy, MedNow has a strong customer acquisition plan for 2021 as the company scales nationally. Q1 2021, brand awareness and user growth. Q2, launch telemedicine service offering. Q3, national expansion of pharmacy, and Q4 national expansion of telemedicine. So let's quickly go over the summary. Why MedNow? So proven management, co-founders grew their previous venture to 150 million in revenue before securing a $30 million investment from Credit Mutual Equity, the private equity arm of the fifth largest bank in France, best-in-class holistic care offering, building a pharmacy-first offering supported with telemedicine provided by a third-party service provider. Number three, on-demand virtual pharmacy focused on building national infrastructure that will provide maximum value to patients and customers in the virtual and delivery-based healthcare sectors. And finally, the all-in-one ecosystem. So the future of the MedNow ecosystem will begin from the moment a consumer speaks with a doctor to the prescription being filled by the on-demand virtual pharmacy and ending at the patient's desired place of delivery, home or office. So that's it for the introduction, guys. Like I said, if you are interested in MedNow, if you're interested in learning a little bit more about the company, head on over to mednow.ca. Of course, I always encourage you guys to do your own research and due diligence. Take a look at their investor presentation, take a look at the financials, take a look at the recent news, but that's it for the introduction. Once again, for full disclosure details, this is a sponsored video, so check the description down below for full disclosure details, along with thoroughly reading our disclaimer and always remembering that these videos are not financial advice. So also feel free to drop me a comment. Let me know what you think about the company. But that's it for the video. Thank you so much for watching. And always remember, Departures Capital and Departure Stocks are for information, education, and entertainment purposes only. Don't buy or sell stock because you heard it on here. Buy or sell stock because you've done your research, you've done your thorough due diligence, and you're making your own personal investment decisions for yourself. This video is not financial advice. We'll see you guys in our next video.